Hello. So let's take another numerical from nuclear physics. Show that the density of nuclear matter rho is constant for all nuclei. If rho is 2.3 into 10 raised to 17 kg per meter cube, calculate the mass of a nucleon. R0 is given. R0 is nuclear radius parameter, which is given 1.2 into 10 raised to minus 15 meter. This is part A, and part B is a gamma ray photon breaks a deuteron into a proton and a neutron. That is photon disintegration. Find the minimum possible energy of the gamma ray in million electron volt. Mass of hydrogen, neutron and deuteron, it is given in AMU. This question was asked in JAM Geophysics 2011. So now the first part A, it is very easy. We know that radius of nucleus is given by R equals to R0 a raised to 1 by 3. Okay, now we know that V, because nucleus it is spherical in nature, we consider V equals to 4 by 3 pi r cube. Volume of, in the equation, in the question, R0, they have written small r. So I will also prefer to write small r. R equals to R0 a raised to 1 by 3. So volume is given by 4 by 3 pi r cube. So 4 by 3 pi r cube की जगह पे I will substitute this value. R0 cube a raised to 1 by 3 का cube. So I will get R0 cube a raised to 1 by 3 का cube करेंगे. So 3 will get cancelled and we will get just a. So what we are getting volume? Volume is 4 by 3 pi R0 cube a. Now mass of nuclei will be, inside the nucleus we have protons and neutrons. So jitna bhi protons और jitna bhi neutrons है, combined mass of protons and neutrons, that will be mass of nuclei. Proton mass and neutron mass, we consider that it is approximately equal. So here mass of nuclei will be A into Mn. So mass of proton and neutron, it is approximately equal. So we will consider it like A into Mn. So density of nuclei, it is given by mass upon volume. So mass, we have calculated atomic mass number, that means total number of nucleons multiplied by mass of each nucleon. So mass is A into Mn upon 4 by 3 pi R0 cube A. So this A will cancel. So we will get density rho equals to Mn upon 4 by 3 pi R0 cube. Now see this equation. Mn, it is constant, 4 by 3 pi, it is constant, and R0, it is called as nuclear radius parameter, which is also constant. So that implies density. So this implies density of nuclear matter is constant. So hence proved. Now next part they have asked is mass of nucleon. So mass of nucleon, it is given by Mn equals to, say, density equals to mass upon volume. So mass will be density multiplied by volume. So mass Mn will be rho multiplied by volume, 4 by 3 pi R0 cube. Now rho, it is given in the problem. It is equals to 2.3 into 10 raised to 17. 4 by 3 pi is 3.14, and R0 is also given in the problem, that is 1.2 into 10 raised to minus 15 meter. So iska cube. If you will calculate this value, it will come around 1.66 into 10 raised to minus 27 kg. So this is the mass of a nucleon. Okay. Now second part is a gamma ray photon breaks into a deuteron. So gamma ray photon breaks a deuteron. That means gamma ray photon, it interacts with a deuteron, it breaks it, and it forms a proton and a neutron. So the energy of photon will be minimum when it is just enough to break deuteron. Otherwise proton neutron would have traveled also. So here we have to find out minimum possible energy of the gamma ray. So minimum energy of gamma photon, it will be mass of proton plus mass of neutron minus mass of deuteron. Deuteron is nothing but 1h2. Either you can write 1h2 or you can write deuteron. So minus mass of deuteron into c square. So here mass of proton is given, which is 1.00785. Mass of neutron is given 1.008665. Mass of deuteron is given 2.014102. And this multiplied by c square. So if you will calculate this, or you can just simply find out this value in AMU. हम लोग c square से multiply नहीं करते. We will find out this value in AMU. So whatever value you will get, that will be in AMU. Now suppose I want to find out energy in 1 million electron volt. In million electron volt, we know that 1 AMU, it is equals to 931.5 MeV. This relation you know. So here whatever mass you will get, like 1.00785 plus 1.008665 minus 2.014102. If you will multiply this mass with 931.5, whatever answer you will get, that will be in MeV. So if you will calculate this, it will come around 2.248 MeV. So just calculate this value and just let me know if you are getting the same answer. If you don't get same answer, you can write in the comment box. Thank you.